that all perceptible matters are reflections of a living God, and that I am also a material manifestation of that God. That I am one of the creations of God, and that while life is God's greatest gift to me, what I do with life is my offering of gratitude and love to God. That everything is possible with God, and that as a child of the Most High, I am a God, and that I can become immortal and perfect. That planet Earth is a fleeting station, a training ground for mortal beings to fall into immortal life, and eventually unite with God in running the affairs of the cosmic order. That while humanity is good, immortality is far better and worth all the sacrifices needed to keep all the members of the human race alive in this part of the universe. That the mission of all intelligent beings is to become immortal and eventually reach the peak of universal power and perfection. Amen.